Hello students, my name is Kritika. I am your computer digital mentor. Today we are going to learn about some very interesting chapters of computer. So let's start with our fifth chapter, the keyboard. So students, before we start our chapter, we have some lesson objectives. Know your keyboards, number keys, arrow keys, alphabet keys, punctuation keys, special keys and other keys. So now we have warm-up question. Learn the spelling of the word keyboard. Now arrange the jumbled keys to spell keyboard. So students, here you can see button of keyboard. These are jumbled keys. You have to arrange them and make a word keyboard. Now our first topic is know our keyboard. A keyboard is used to type letters and numbers. A keyboard has more than 100 keys. We have learned that some of these keys are alphabetic keys or letter keys. Some other are number keys. Here you can see a picture of keyboard where you can see different kind of keys. एक कीबोर्ड लेटर्स या नंबर्स को टाइप करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है, जिसके अंदर अल्फाबेट कीज यानी कि A to Z तक और नंबर कीज और कुछ डिफरेंट कीज भी होती हैं. नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज अल्फाबेट कीज. Alphabetic keys are used to type the English letters A, B, C, D till Z. So, a keyboard has 26 alphabetic keys. Each key has one letter of English alphabet on it. The alphabetic keys are not in A, B, C order. They are in Q, W, E, R, T, Y order. The letters Q, W, E, R, T, Y are the first 6 letters seen on the first row of alphabetic keys. Now we learn using alphabetic keys. The keys to type a word, just press each alphabetic key in the correct order to spell it correctly. To type the word bookman, you will press 7 keys, one for each letter. Please note that the letters are small. Now we have number keys. Number keys are used to type numbers. A keyboard has 10 number keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. The number keys are found in this order with the 0 key in the end. So students, here you can see a picture of number keys. Now we have using number keys. To type a number, just press each number key. To type the number 100, you will press the number key 1, then the number key 0 twice. Now we have punctuation keys. Punctuation keys are used to type punctuation mark like comma, full stop, semicolon, question mark, apostrophe and so on. So students, here you can see the keys of punctuation marks. These are colon, semicolon, comma, question mark, apostrophe mark, full stop, question mark. Now students, we have arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor on the monitor in 4 directions for information: left, right, up and down. Now we have special keys. Some of the keys have a special use. The 3 most common are the shift, control and alternative keys, caps lock, tab, escape, delete, backspace and spacebar keys are some other special keys. So students, here you can see the pictures of some special keys like spacebar, escape, delete and etc. Now students, we learn about spacebar key in detail. The spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. The spacebar is used to create gaps between words. So students, let's practice with the spacebar key. Saurav has forgotten to press the spacebar while typing the sentence. Draw a line where he missed pressing the spacebar. One has been done for you. So students, here you can see a sentence. You have to draw a line where Saurabh has forgotten to press the space bar key. So students, आइए अब enter key के बारे में डिटेल में जानते हैं. The enter key is used to go to the next line. Now students, let's learn about using the enter key. Enter key को कैसे यूज करते हैं इसके बारे में जानते हैं. Kajal is typing a list of animals. She wants each name on a new line. So, she presses the enter key after typing each name. So, students, for example, giraffe, tiger, lion, whale and fox. As you can see, all these words is in different lines. So, we press enter key to shift these words in different lines. So, students, now let's learn how to practice the enter key. तो आइए अब enter key को यूज करने के बारे में डिटेल में जानते हैं. So students, you can see the sign of enter on your screens. Saurabh want to type the name of each friend on a new line. Draw the enter sign in the place where he must press it. So students, here you can see some names of Saurabh's friend. You have to type enter where he forget to press the enter key. Now students, we have delete key. The delete key is also known as del for short. Delete key को del के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. Location. There are two delete keys on the keyboard. One of them can be found above the arrow keys. The other is present on the numeric pad on the right. This key is used to erase whatever we have typed on the screen towards right of the cursor. So let's learn about the location of delete key. Delete key दो तरह की होती है. हमारे कीबोर्ड में दो delete keys होती है जिनको शॉर्ट फॉर्म del के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. Delete key का इस्तेमाल किसी भी चीज को मिटाने के लिए किया जाता है. Use. When we press the delete key, the character on the right of the cursor get erased. You can also use the key to erase the selected text, files, folder or images. Delete key का इस्तेमाल हम किसी भी टेक्स्ट, फाइल, फोल्डर या इमेज को डिलीट करने के लिए कर सकते हैं. Now we have backspace key. Location. The backspace key has a backward arrow marked on it and it is located above the enter key. Backspace पे backward का एक मार्क होता है और ये enter key के ऊपर होती है. The backspace key is used to erase the text to the left of the cursor. Backspace key का इस्तेमाल कर्सर के लेफ्ट से टेक्स्ट को डिलीट करने के लिए करते हैं. Now students, let's learn about how to use the caps lock key. Kajal is typing a list of animals. She wants to type tiger in capitals. For this, she presses the caps lock key before typing tiger. She presses caps lock key again after typing tiger. Now, she can carry on typing in smaller letters. It is very simple. So students, here you can see some words typed by Kajal. She wants to type tiger in capitals letter. So she pressed caps lock button once. Then he typed tiger in capital letters. Then he pressed caps lock button once more. Now she can carry on typing in smaller letters. So students, now let's learn about shift key. Shift key is also used for typing capital letters. The trick is to keep it pressed as you type. You can use it in place of the caps lock key to type any word in capital letters. Shift key का इस्तेमाल भी capital letters में टाइप करने के लिए किया जा सकता है, जिसकी ट्रिक है कि किसी भी वर्ड को टाइप करने से पहले आपको शिफ्ट की को प्रेस करके रखना पड़ेगा. विकास presses down the shift key with the finger of his left hand, holds it there. He typed the letter school from the keyboard, then he lifts his finger from the shift key. विकास ने अपने लेफ्ट हैंड के फिंगर से शिफ्ट की को प्रेस करके रखा, जिसके बाद उसने अपना वर्ड स्कूल टाइप करा जो पूरे कैपिटल लेटर्स में आ गया. उसके बाद विकास ने शिफ्ट की छोड़ दिया, जिसके बाद उसका वर्ड कैपिटल लेटर्स में प्रेजेंट हो गया. So students, what we have learned in this chapter, let's have a quick look on some key points. A keyboard has more than 100 keys. We press alphabetic keys to type letters. We press number keys to type numbers. We press the space bar to leave gaps between words and sentence. We press the enter key to go to the next line. We press the caps lock key before typing capital letters. We press punctuation keys to give punctuation marks. So students, this is it from this chapter. Soon we are going to learn about more interesting chapters. Till then, revise what we learned today. Thank you.